Imagine hitting the road, miles from civilization, and still having fresh, perfectly chilled drinks with actual ice cubes. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this Fasyou 40QT car refrigerator isn't just a cooler. It's a portable powerhouse that might just change your entire outdoor experience. What really caught our eye with this unit is its incredible fast ice maker. We're talking about producing up to 16.5 pounds of ice cubes in just 24 hours, with 2 different sizes to choose from. And the best part, it starts making ice within 5 minutes. That's not just convenient, it's a game changer for camping trips, long drives, or even just a backyard barbecue where you need a constant supply of cold. No more frantic searches for a gas station with ice or dealing with soggy bags. But it's not just about the ice. This is a true dual-zone portable freezer, offering a massive temperature range from a frosty -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to a balmy 68 degrees. This means you can keep your frozen meats solid in one section while chilling your fruits and drinks to perfection in another, all at the same time. The 40-quart capacity is genuinely spacious, easily accommodating enough food and beverages for a weekend getaway or a family road trip. Powering this unit is incredibly versatile too. You've got 4 different options: the standard AC adapter for home use, a DC line for your car or truck, a detachable battery for true portability, and even a solar panel input for off-grid adventures. That kind of flexibility means you're never without power, whether you're indoors, outdoors, or deep in the wilderness. And for those worried about draining their vehicle's battery, Fasyou has included a smart 3-level voltage protection system, giving you peace of mind that your car will always start. It's also designed with practicality in mind. The compact internal freezer configuration, automatic defrost system, and low-noise operation are all thoughtful touches that enhance the user experience. Measuring 31 inches deep, 19.3 inches wide, and 22.83 inches high, it's substantial but still manageable for vehicle transport. Overall, the Fasyou 40QT car refrigerator isn't just another electric cooler. It's a robust, feature-packed portable freezer that brings genuine convenience and luxury to your outdoor adventures. The integrated ice maker alone makes it stand out, but combined with its dual-zone cooling and versatile power options, it truly feels like an essential companion for anyone who loves to hit the road.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.